Welcome to the Human Resources Podcast, the best place to learn about all things human resources. I'm your host, Bailey, and I am so excited to be talking to you all today. So let's get into today's topic, training and development. This may seem like a super overdone topic, but it is also a super important one. Training and development goes deeper than just explaining what something is, how to complete a task, or showing how to do something. This topic goes into getting to know your trainees and using that information to put it into your training. How do we get to know our trainees? We ask questions, we get to know them, and we are patient with them. I always start off my training with introductions and immediately follow with asking them what their learning style is. This is to ensure I can adjust my training to meet their needs. Asking this question can also help me gain their trust and hopefully make them feel more comfortable throughout the training process. What do we do once we know their learning style? We know the various learning styles: auditory, visual, hands-on, and reading-writing. Do we know how to apply them to the process of training? These are such important questions to ask yourself before using this method. We can do the standard classroom-style training for a lot of things, but some people need to follow around their peers in order to understand what is going on. And that is so okay. If someone prefers visual learning, let them follow you around and explain to them exactly what you are doing. Try asking them if they would like to have a go at it themselves. If someone prefers the hands-on method and wants to go in guns blazing, then let them have it, but be right behind them to guide them through the process. It is important not to assume what everyone's learning style is. Take the time to understand the people you are training and adjust yourself and your teachings to meet their needs. I have been training this way for years now, and I rarely have bad results. Now, is this applicable to all training scenarios? No, I have used these tactics in a factory setting and in a retail setting. However, 90% of the training done at these facilities is all one-on-one. If you work in an office setting or in an administrative position, you are trying to reach a larger number of employees, maybe then you would consider trying to use all of the different learning styles within your training module. The point is, try to be more thoughtful and meaningful in your training. You are more likely to have a trainee who is willing to learn from you and take that initiative to be the best they can be. Sure, there will always be a few bad eggs, but if you're not willing to put in the time and effort, then you can't say you tried. Thank you so much for your time today. This is only the tip of the iceberg when it comes to training and development. If you want more, just hit the follow button. I'm your host, Bailey, and we will talk again soon.